Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to use Daft Art, a fantastic platform that leverages artificial intelligence for various creative needs. Step 1. Sign up a login. To get started, head over to the Daft Art website. If you're a new user, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details and verify your email. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, you can see different categories of services offered by Daft Art. Take a moment to explore these options to get a sense of what's available. Step 3. Choose a service. Browse through the various AI-driven services. Whether you're looking for art generation, content creation, or design assistance, Daft Art has a wide range of tools. Click on the service that interests you to learn more about its features. Step 4. Input your requirements. After selecting a service, you'll usually need to provide some input. This could be anything from text prompts for art generation to specific guidelines for content creation. Make sure to be as detailed as possible to get the best results. Step 5. Customize your output. Many services on Daft Art allow for customization. Look for options to adjust parameters or styles according to your preferences. This step is crucial for tailoring the output to your needs. Step 6. Generate your output. Once you set everything up, click the Generate button. The AI will process your input and create the desired output. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Step 7. Review and edit. After the output is generated, take a close look at it. You can often make further edits or adjustments if needed. If you're not satisfied, don't hesitate to try again with different inputs or settings. Step 8. Download or share. When you're happy with the result, look for options to download or share your creation. Daft Art typically provides various formats for you to choose from, making it easy to use your output wherever you need. Step 9. Explore more services. Don't forget to explore other services on the platform. Daft Art offers a variety of tools that can enhance your creative projects. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video.